Hello, welcome to Online Learning Box, and here in this tutorial we are going to discuss about a very critical problem and how to solve it. And lots of my students have faced this problem. So this problem is occurred when you are dealing with the Gaussian blur. So let's start, and here I'm using this square shape. With the help of this square shape, here no stroke, only fill, and you can change this fill color. So here I'm going to apply the Gaussian blur over here. So go to effect, and here you can see this is a Gaussian blur, blur and Gaussian blur. So if you hit here and see, this is okay. But when you increase the size of the Gaussian blur strokes, so you can see this is the bounding box appear, and this is looks very nasty. So how to solve this? So after hitting OK, so go to this option, go to effect, document and raster effect settings. So here you can see this is 72 ppi screen resolution. So for this you need to check high resolution 300 ppi. So after this, why this is the question is why this is appear, because here you can see this is round object 36 pixels, 36 point. So how you can measure this is the 36 pixels. So go here and you can measure the 36, cancel over here. So you can see this is measurement tool over here, this is knife tool, and measurement tool is here, the measure tool. So if you drag this thing to this one, you can see this is the measurement. The distance is 36.0139 pixels. So for this reason this is happening. So if I increase the size, you can see the distance between this point and this point is 35, around 36. Okay, so for this reason this is happen. So go to effect and document raster, and if you increase this size, and the highest size you can put here 720. So 720, and screen resolution should be the higher, and hit OK. After hitting OK, if you can change, you can see this is Gaussian blur. The problem is solved out. So by this method you can solve your Gaussian blur's bounding box effect, bounding box problem. So you can see this is the Gaussian blur which is we have solved in this class. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, we are come back soon with a new video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.